Welcome friends, in my new video, today we are going to solve the questions of weighted average profit method from question number 13 to question number 18. Okay, let us start. Profit of a firm for the year ended 31st March for the last 5 years were 5 years profit were given. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of weighted average profit after assigning weight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively to the profits for the year ending 31st March 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. If the weightage is not given, you have to assign more weight to the previous year. Okay, please do here keep in mind. Now we are going to solve question number 30. We are going to prepare a table in which we are going to calculate the product, year, profits, weight, product. Okay. Now here this is our first, this is our second, this is our third, second into third. Okay. Now the years are given 31st March 15, 31st March 16, 31st March 17, 31st March 18, and 31st March 19. Okay. So let us calculate the weights with the profit. Okay. So it is 20,000, 24,000, 30,000, 25,000, 18,000. Weight given is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. So it will be 20,000, 48,000, 90,000, 1 lakh, 85,000, 90,000 again. So we are going to close both simple bracket. This will be 15, 280, 3 lakh, 348. Okay. Now we are going to calculate weighted average profit equals to total product upon total weight. Okay. So let us calculate 3,48,000 upon 15. It will be 15 to the 30, 4 carry, 15 to the 45, 3 carry, 15 to the 30. It will be 23,200. 23,200. Now we are going to calculate firm's goodwill. Firm's goodwill equals to, it is said that on the basis of 3 years purchase, on the basis of 3 years purchase, so weighted average profit into number of years purchase (23,200) into 3, it will be 69,600. This is the end of question number 13. We move to question number 14. Okay. Question number 14 A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:3. On 1st April 2019, C is admitted to the partnership for 1/4 share of profit. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of last 3 years profit after allowing partners remuneration. Profits to be weighted 1:2:3. The greatest weight being given to the last year. Net profit before partners remuneration were 16, 17, 2 lakh, 17, 18, 2 lakh 30,000, 18, 19, 2 lakh 50,000. The remuneration of the partners is estimated to be 90,000 per annum. Calculate amount of goodwill. So let us start the question. Question number 14. We are going to use the product method first. Here, profits, weight, product. Okay. Now, I have already told you that we are going to multiply second column with third to get the answer of fourth. This we have to remember. Okay. Now, years are given 2016-17, 2017-18, 2018-19, and 2000. Okay, up to 2018-19 only. So it is over. Now we are going to take the profits. It is 2 lakh. It is 2 lakh 30,000, and it is 2 lakh 50,000. Okay. Now we are going to assign the weight 1, 2, 3. It will be 2 lakh. It will be 4 lakh 60,000. Okay, and it will be 7 lakh 50,000. We are going to total this. This is going to be 6. This is going to be 7, 9, 13, 14 lakh 10,000. Okay. Now we are going to find out the weighted average profit equals to total product upon total weight. Okay, that will be 14 lakh 10,000 upon 6. So 6 to the 12, then 2 carry, 6 to the 18, 3 carry, 6 5 the 30, 2 lakh 35,000. Now we are going to deduct to calculate actual weighted average, because we have to pay the remuneration to partners 90,000 per annum. Okay, so we are going to deduct from this 2 lakh 35 minus remuneration 90,000, that I have explained in my basic why I am going to deduct here. Or you can deduct from each and every profit. Okay, but this is the best way to do so. So I have deducted here from goodwill equals to actual weighted average into number of years purchased. Okay, now let us say 1,45,000. The number of years are given, that is I think 2 years, so it will be 2,90,000. Okay, now we move to next question. Question number 14. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:3. On 1st April 2019, She is admitted to the partnership for 1/4 share of profit. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of last 3 years profit after allowing partners remuneration. Profits to be weighted 1:2:3. The greatest weight being given to the last year. Net profit before partners remuneration were 16, 17, 2 lakh, 17, 18, 2 lakh 30,000, 18, 19, 2 lakh 50,000. The remuneration of the partners is estimated to be 90,000 per annum. Calculate amount of goodwill. So let us start the question. Question number 14. We are going to use the product method first. Year, profits, weight, product. Okay. Now I have already told you that we are going to multiply second column with third to get the answer of fourth. This you have to remember. Okay. Now years are given 2016-17, 2017-18, 2018-19, and 2000. Okay, up to 2018-19 only. So it is over. Now we are going to take the profits. It is 2 lakh. It is 2 lakh 30,000, and it is 2 lakh 50,000. Okay. Now we are going to assign the weight 1, 2, 3. It will be 2 lakh. It will be 4 lakh 60,000. Okay, and it will be 7 lakh 50,000. We are going to total this. This is going to be 6. This is going to be 7, 9, 13, 14 lakh 10,000. Okay. Now we are going to find out the weighted average profit equals to total product upon total weight. Okay, that will be 14 lakh 10,000 upon 6. So 6 to the 12, then 2 carry, 6 to the 18, 3 carry, 6 5 the 30, 2 lakh 35,000. Now we are going to deduct to calculate actual weighted average, because we have to pay the remuneration to partners 90,000 per annum. Okay, so we are going to deduct from this 2 lakh 35 minus remuneration 90,000, that I have explained in my basic why I am going to deduct here, or you can deduct from each and every profit. Okay, but this is the best way to do so. So I have deducted here from goodwill equals to actual weighted average into number of years purchased Okay. Now, like I said, unlike 45,000, the number of years are given, that is, I think 2 years. So it will be 2,90,000. Okay. Now we move to next question. Question number 15. Question number 15. Raman and Daman are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 60-40, and for the last 4 years they have been getting annual salary of 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. Here we don't require any ratio, but we are going to deduct annual salary of partners after calculating weightage, average profit. Okay. The annual accounts have been shown the following net profit before charging partner salary year ending 31st March 17, 1 lakh 40, 2018, 1 lakh 1,000, 2019, 1 lakh 30,000. On 1st April 2019, Genu is admitted to the partnership for 1/4 share of profit without any salary. Goodwill is to be valued at 4 years purchase of weighted average profit of last 3 years after partner salary. Profit to be weighted as 1:2:3, the greatest weight being given to the last year. Calculate the value of goodwill. Let us start the question. Here, profit, weight, part. Okay. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 equals to 2 into 3. Years, profits, weight, product. Okay, the years are given 31st March 2017, 31st March 2018, 31st March 2009. The amount is 1,40,000, 1,01,000, and 1,30,000. The weight is 1, 2, 3, 1,40,000 itself. It will be 2,02,000. Okay, and it will be 3,90,000. We are going to total it. It is going to be 6, 6, 730, 732. Now we are going to calculate weighted average profit equals to total product into upon total weight seven lakh 32,000 upon 6, that will be 6 over 6, 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12, 1,22,000. We are going to find out the actual weighted average equals to 1,22,000 minus both the partners sum of salary is 90,000. Okay, so it will be 32,000. Now we are going to calculate firm's goodwill. Okay, so actual weighted average into number of years purchased. Now let us have actual weight is 32. The number of years purchased given is in the question, that is I think 2 years. Okay, it is 4 years purchased actually. So 4 to the 8, 4 to the 12, 28,000. Okay, now we move to question number 16. 16. Calculate goodwill of the firm on the basis of 3 years purchase of the weighted average profit of the last 4 years. The profit of last 4 financial years ended on 31st March were 2016 25,000, 17 27,000, 2018 46,900 and 2019 53,810. The weights assigned to each year are 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. You are supplied the following information. On 1st April 2016, a major plant repair was undertaken for 10,000 which was charged to revenue. The said sum is to be capitalized for goodwill calculation subject to adjustment of depreciation of 10% on reducing balance method. Second, the closing stock for the year ended 31st March 2017 and 2018 were overvalued by 1,000 and 2,000 respectively. To cover management cost, an annual charge of 5,000 should be made for the purpose of goodwill valuation. Okay, so let us start question number 16. First, we have to calculate net profit, actual net profit. Calculation of net profit. All the adjustments we are going to do here. There are 4 years. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5 years. 31st March 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. Okay. Profits are given. Profits 25,000, 27,000, 46,900 and 53,810. It is said on 1st April 2016. This was this year. It is asset purchase when plant repair of 10,000 is charged to revenue. So we are going to add the that amount. Rectification of revenue expenses. Okay, we have rectified into capital expenditure. That amount is 10,000. On that amount, we are going to charge depreciation. Yes, depreciation. It is say 10% on the written down value. So here it will be 1,000. 10 minus 1, 9,000. On 9,000, that will be 900. Out of 9,900 on 8,100, so it will be 810. Depreciation is always charged at the end of the accounting year, and the method is given return down value method. Okay, when it is said closing stock is overvalued. Okay, so we are going to deduct closing stock overvalued. When closing stock is overvalued, it increases that year's profit, and to rectify that thing, we have to deduct the amount from those respective years. That is here 1,000 and 2,000. Okay, so respectively 17, 18 we have deducted. The closing stock of 1 year is the opening stock of the next year. So add opening stock overvalued. Okay, when opening stock is overvalued, at that time the profit became less, and to rectify that one, we are going to add here 1,000, 2,000. Okay. Now we move to next. It is said that To cover managerial cost, an annual charge of 5,000 is to be charged. But we are not going to do it here. We are going to do it after weighted average profit. So let us close. $25,000. 37, 35. $46, 44, 45. 53, 55. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the product from this given information. Okay. So let us prepare the table. Here profit, weight, product, first, second, third, fourth, second into third. Years are 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. The profits are 25,000, 35,000, 45,000 and 55,000. The weight assigned is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 25,000, 70,000, 135, 135 and 220. So the total will be 10. The total will be 2, 3, 355, 360, 380, 450. So like 50,000. Now we are going to create the above statement to do the next working. Okay, weightage average profit equals to total product upon total weight. Okay, so it is 4,50,000 upon 10, that will be 45,000. Okay, now we have find out actual weighted average profit. We are going to deduct managerial cost. It is going to be 40,000. Okay. Now we are going to find out the firm's goodwill, and that is on the basis of 3 years purchase. Okay. So firm's goodwill equals to actual weighted average profit into number of years purchase. Okay, so it is 40,000 into 3, 1,20,000. This is the end of question number 16. We move to question number 17. Question number 17. Dinesh and Mahesh are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Ramesh into partnership for 1/4 share in profits. Ramesh brings in his share of goodwill in cash. Goodwill for this purpose shall be calculated at 2 years' purchase of the weighted average normal profit of past 3 years, weights being assigned to each year 17/1, 2018 to 2019 3. Profit of the last 3 years were 2017 profit 50,000 including profit on sale of asset 5,000. This is abnormal gain we are going to deduct. 2018 loss 20,000 including loss by fire 35,000. This is abnormal loss. We are going to add it. 2019 profit rupees 70,000 including insurance claim received 18,000 and interest on investment and dividend received 8,000. This is also non-recurring in nature, that means abnormal gain. So we are going to deduct it, calculate the value of goodwill, also calculate the goodwill bought in by Ramesh. Both the things we have to calculate. So let us start. Calculation of net profit. Okay. So let us calculate. There are 3 years. 1, 2, 3. Particulars 2017, 2018, 2019. Okay. Profits and losses. Profits. Bracket में losses. Okay. Profit is 50,000. There is a loss of 20,000. Okay. Then there is a profit of again 70,000. Okay. We are going to add abnormal losses and we are going to add deduct abnormal gains. Okay, so in the first year there was abnormal gain, we are going to deduct 5,000. In the second year there was abnormal loss, we are going to add 35,000. And again there is a loss, abnormal gain of 26,000. 18 plus 8, we are going to deduct from profits to calculate the net profit. It will be 45,000. This is going to be 15,000 plus minus, and it will be 30, 44,000. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the weighted average profit. Here profit weight part. First, second, third, fourth, second into third. Here profits weight product. Okay. Here is 2017, 2018, 2019. The profit is 45,000, 15,000, 44,000. The weight assigned is 1 to 3. It will be 45,000, 15 is 30,000, and it will be 120 and 12, 130. Okay. So let us close. 6, 162, 167, 207. To next. Okay. Now we are going to find out weighted average profit equals to total product total weight. It is very easy actually. Same technique we are using twice. Please remember it is very easy. Okay. So let us calculate 18 to carry. So then 24 3 carry 34,500. Okay. Now here no other information is given. That's why directly we can calculate firm's goodwill equals to weighted average profit into number of years purchased. Okay, so that will be 34,500 into 2 years purchase, 38, 34, 68, 69, 69,000. Therefore, your share of goodwill equals to 69,000 into his share was 1/4. That will be 17,250. Okay. This is the end of question number 17. Now we move to question number 18. Question number 18. Mandir and Nimrat are partners and they admit on heart into partnership. It was agreed to value goodwill at 3 years purchased on weighted average profit method taking profit of last 5 years. Weighted assigned to each year are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively to the profits for the year ending 31st March 2015 to 2019. The profit for these years are 70,000, 1,40,000, 1 lakh, 1,60,000 and 1,65,000 respectively. Scrutiny of books of account revealed following information. There was an abnormal loss of 20,000 in the year ended 31st March 2015. There was an abnormal gain of 30,000 in the year ended 31st March 2016. Closing stock as on 31st March 2018 was overvalued by 10,000. Okay, chaliye, let us start. One, two, three, four, five. Calculation of net profit. Okay, let's start. Particulars. 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. This is 31st March all. Okay. Profits are given to us. So I am just going to take the profits only. 70,000, 1,40,000, then 1 lakh, 1,60,000 and 1,65,000. Okay. Now we are going to add abnormal losses. Okay. Abnormal loss in the year 31st March 2015. So we are going to add 20,000. Okay. Then we are going to deduct abnormal gains. Okay, abnormal gain is in the year 31st March 2016. So we are going to deduct 30,000 here. Okay, now we say closing stock. So we are going to add. We are going to deduct closing stock over value. Okay, in the year 2018, so 31st March 2018, it is 10,000. Okay, now we are going to add as closing stock of 2018 will be the opening stock of 2019. So opening stock over value will be added in the next year 10,000. Now we are going to close it. It is going to be 90,000. It is going to be 110,000. It is 1 lakh. It is going to be 1,70,000. And it is going to, I think it was sorry. So it is going to be 1,50,000. And it is going to be 1,75,000. Now we are going to calculate the weightage average. Year profits weight first, second, this is third, this is fourth, that is second into third. Okay, year profits, okay, weight, this is product. 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. Okay, so let us start. It is 90,000, 1,10,000, 1 lakh, 1,50,000 and 1,75,000. Okay, it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is going to be 90,000, 2,20,000, 3 lakh. It is going to be 6 lakh, and it is going to be 5 and 3, 8. One, 5, 5 and 3, 8, 75. Now the total amount is going to be 15, 8, 10, 19, 20, 20 lakh 10,000, 20 lakh 85,000. Now we are going to close it. By running this. Okay, so let's find out. Weighted average profit equals to total product upon total weight. It is 20 lakh 85,000 upon 15, 15 on the 15, 5, 15 is the 45, 45, that means 13, 9s are 139. Okay, now I think there is no other information is given, so we are going to find out the firm's goodwill. Firm's goodwill equals to weighted average profit into number of years purchase 1,39,000 into it is paid 3 years. Number of years are 3. So 3 9 by 27, 2 carry, 3 9 to 11, 1 carry, 4,70,000. This is the end of question number 18. Next questions we are going to do in our next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the way I am doing the question, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. You will get more information about accounting in my next video. Thank you.